everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ting Sam, your amazing Korean tutor. Today, we are exploring a fun part of Korean culture and language, animal face type. In Korean, this is called 동물상, where 동물 means animal and 상 means type or appearance. This expression is used to say someone's face resembles a certain animal. So, what are these animal face types? When combined with an animal name, it describes someone who resembles that animal. This is a popular topic in Korean entertainment and social media. It's considered a fun and cute way to describe someone's looks. Let's go through each type with both Korean and English explanations to help you learn these expressions. Puppy face type. 강아지상. 강아지상.
The puppy face type is known for big, round eyes and a cute, friendly smile, giving a warm and innocent vibe.
BTS's Jungkook and actor Park Bo-gum both embody the type.
정국은 웃을 때 정말 강아지 같아요. 박보검은 강아지 상이라서 친근해 보여요. Cat face type, 고양이상. 고양이상.
The cat face type is sharp, slightly angled eyes, often with a chic and mysterious look.
Blackpink's Jennie and actor Kim Soo-hyun are both this type.
제니는 고양이 같아서 멋져 보여요. 김수현은 고양이 상이라서 매력적이에요. Rabbit face type. 토끼상. 토끼상.
The rabbit face type features big, innocent eyes and prominent front teeth, giving a cute and approachable look.
Twice's Naeon and actor Kim Hae-soo are often described as this type.
나연은 웃을 때 토끼처럼 귀여워요. 김혜수는 토끼상이라서 사랑스러워요. Dinosaur face type. 공룡상. 공룡상.
The dinosaur face type is strong, distinctive features, giving a bold and charismatic impression.
Seventeen's Dino and actor Lee Jong-suk have the dinosaur look.
디노는 얼굴이 강해서 공룡 같아요. 이종석은 공룡상이라서 멋있어 보여요. Gorilla face type. 고릴라상. 고릴라상.
The gorilla face type has a broad, friendly appearance with a kind and approachable look.
Monsta X's Shonu and actor Ma Dong-seok are known for their gorilla face type.
션우는 고릴라상이라서 듬직해 보여요. 마동석은 고릴라 상이라서 믿음직해요. Deer face type. 사슴상. 사슴상.
The deer face type is known for soft, gentle eyes and an innocent, delicate look.
Wonyoung from IVE and actor Bae Suzy are often described as deer face type.
원영이는 사슴처럼 눈이 예뻐요. 배수지는 사슴상이라서 청순해 보여요. Fox face type. 여우상. 여우상.
The fox face type has sharp, clever eyes, giving a slight hint of charm and playfulness. Itzy's Yeji and actress Kim Tae-hee are both fox face type.
예지는 눈이 여우 같아서 매력적이에요. 김태희는 여우상이라서 똑똑해 보여요. Let's practice making sentences more simply. Name, 씨는 animal, 상이에요. 진 씨는 강아지 상이에요. Number 2. animal처럼 adjective 해요. 강아지 상처럼 귀여워요. Number 3. animal, 같은, 눈, 얼굴이에요. 같은 means as like or like. 눈 means eyes, 얼굴 means face. 강아지 같은 얼굴이에요. Remember that these descriptions are meant to be fun and complimentary in Korean culture. They are often used in entertainment shows and casual conversations. Which 동물상 do you think you resemble? Which animal type is your ideal type? Would you prefer a puppy-faced or a fox-faced partner or K-pop star? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time!